There are two different versions: GPT License Server version and Trial version. This is the comparison between two versions. To be simple, GPT License Server version is developed for paid users. Trial version is developed for free trial users. For GPT License Server version, GES is activated by license file, and when license expired, users only need to update license file. For trial version, GES is activated by activation code. Users only need input their email address. Activation code will be sent to their email. For trial version, each computer can only apply once, and the valid date is 60 days. This is the GPT License Server Setup workflow. First, double-click to set up GPT License Server. If you do not know how to find your MAC address, you can find it in GPT License Server. Click MAC address. This window will pop up. You can find your MAC address in this window. Send your MAC address to GPT Soft email for applying a license. Click License Key and set the license file path. This is the module name, and this is expired data. This is the number of licenses. And then double-click to set up GES. After installing GES, right-click GES 22 shortcut. Choose Property. Click Open File Location. Find this file. Double-click. Enter localhost. This means this license will be used for this computer. And I will show you how to install GPT license version step by step. This is GPT License Server Setup file. Double-click. Select Language. Set installing path. Open GPT License Server. Set license file path. After installing GPT License Server, double-click GES Install File to set up GES. Also set installing path, and just click Next. Localhost means license server installed on this computer, and license file only used for this computer. And if GPT license server set on server computer, you can enter server computer IP to connect GPT license server. You can click Test to see whether the connection is successfully. After install GPT license serve and GES. Every time you want to active GES, you need open GPT license server first. A quick way to active GES is set license server path in GES. First, right-click GPT license server shortcut and open file location. Remember the file path. Open GES. Click File. Select License. Click Local License. Set the GPT license server file path, and then next time you can directly open GES. If license server is installed on server computer, you can also enter server computer IP. And also next time, you can directly open GES. Next I will show you how to install trial version. First, double-click GES trial version setup file. After install GES, open GES directly, and trial license window will pop up. Enter username and email in this window. Click Submit. Activation code will be sent to your email. Check your email, find activation code, and enter activation code in trial license window. Click Active to active GES. Trial license window only pop up the first time. After active GES successfully, you can directly open GES to use. I will show you step by step.